boys and girls. Welcome to Friday's Math for December 18th. Okay, today is going to be your test, your Chapter 5 test. We're going to keep on doing the tests in the book while we're at home. That way it's easier. We don't have to worry about any computer troubles. Okay, so go ahead and grab your math book. Here's what you're going to need today. Your math book, of course. Your pencil, and probably an eraser in case you make a boo-boo. Okay, next, your number line and your cubes or another counter or another kind of counters that maybe you have at home. And you need to find a quiet place to do your test. Now, I'm going to read the questions out loud, just like I did last time for our Chapter 4 test. If you want your moms or your dads to read the questions out loud, that's fine too. But if you just want to do this right in front of your computer, right along with me, that works also. Make sure you do your best job, okay? I want to see how much you have learned in Chapter 5. And guess what? It's only 2 pages long. It's so short today. Okay, so for today, you're going to be on page 345. 345. So go ahead and turn there. You can pause the video if you need more time. Remember, you can pause the video after every question if that works for you. Okay, I'm going to read number 1 to you. Do you see number 1? It has this part whole mat. Number 1 says, complete the model, then write the missing number in the equation. 14 equals what plus 9? Now, boys and girls, another way you could think about this would be to say 9 plus what equals 14? So find that missing numbers. You can use this part whole model to help you. Number 2, you need to tell me if this equation is true or false. Remember, true means correct. False means not good, not correct. Okay, so 4 plus 7 equals 13 minus 3. So let's think, is 4 plus 7 the same as 13 minus 3? Would you get the same answers if you drew that line and solved on both sides? True or false? Okay, number 3. Which number is missing? 16 minus what is the same as 2 plus 6? First think, well, what's 2 plus 6? Then what do I need to take away from 16 to get that same answer? Is it 10? Is it 9? Is it 8? Or is it 7? Okay, number 4 says Tasha has 2 dogs and 3 cats. She also has 7 goldfish. How many pets does Tasha have in all? So here they have written the equation. 2 plus 3 plus 7. You need to figure out what that equals. You can use your number line, you can use your counters, you can draw a quick picture. Any way that works for your brain, okay? Now I'm going to turn the page to page 346. 346. All right, number 5 is at the top. Number 5 says, Bill has 10 apples. He uses 8 of them to make muffins. Josh has 6 apples. How many should he use so he has the same number as Bill? So down here it helps you figure this out. It gives you 10 minus 8 equals 6 minus what? What would you need to put here to make this equation true? All right, let's move to number 6. Number 6 says, Carrie, Tom, and Nicole want to play tennis. Carrie has 5 tennis balls, Tom has 5 tennis balls, and Nicole has 3. How many tennis balls do they have in all? You need to add those numbers and figure out what they total. Is it 13, 14, 15, or 16? All right, now for number 7, it's down here with our little model. Do you see that? Okay, number 7 says, in a soccer game, Andrew scores 3 fewer goals than Elise. Elise scores 9 goals. How many goals did Andrew score? Complete the bar diagram and write the equation to match the story. So here's Elise's 9 goals. Here's Andrew's 3 fewer. So if I would say 9 minus 3, what would that equal? Or you could do it this way. 3 plus what would equal 9? Use those counters or your number line to help you. Okay, and our last one, number 8. They want you to write the missing symbol. A plus sign, a minus sign, or an equal sign to make the equation true. Then they want you to explain how you knew what symbol to use. So just do your best on this writing part, okay? It doesn't have to be long, the sentence. Just tell me why you chose what symbol you chose, okay? The equation is 16 equals 4 plus 8, something 4. So try to figure out that missing symbol. Now, just like last time, if you would like to do this next part on page 347 and 348 where it says performance assessment, I'll give you some bonus points, but you do not have to. It has a lot of writing on it, okay? So remember, your test today for Friday, December 18th, is just pages 345 and 346. Don't forget, take a picture, send it to me, and also do your journal writing for today. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you next week.